Hi, this is David with Anchors Up. I want to take a moment and introduce you to maintenance kits by Mercury. These are a gift, let me tell you. Instead of having to circle through and figure out in the EPC the many parts it takes to maintain your engine or your drive, Mercury does have prepackaged maintenance kits. This particular one, this is for a 100-hour kit for a Bravo. And so if we open it up, you'll see inside they have all of the seals that are necessary, and you also have your anode kit, all in one package. Mercury has oil change kits, they have 100-hour service kits, they have 300-hour service kits. We have just released orders for over $20,000 worth of these maintenance and service kits, so that our clients have an easier option for maintaining their boat. Give us a call if you have any questions, if you want more information. Starting in the next a couple of weeks, we should start receiving these, and we want to offer these to our customers as a simple way to maintain their boat without all of the hassle of figuring out the many parts it takes. Now, one thing to know, on a maintenance kit, they do not come with gear oil or oil for your engine, depending on which one you have. You have to buy that separately. If you get an oil change kit just for a basic oil change, it does include the oil and everything necessary to do an oil change. Give us a call, 310-942-2628. Extension 201 is me personally, or just call in 310-942-2628. You'll reach one of us, and one of our service advisors will be happy to assist you. We look forward to speaking with you. And again, we're just here to help. We're here to support, and we appreciate your business. Thank you, and hope to catch you again on another video soon.